Hello, everyone. My name is Felipe Garcia, and this is my audience. Okay. Okay. All right. So, hello again. I hope I have your full on attention, because if not, I'd like to offer you a nice caffeinated cup of green tea to wake you up and get you motivated to hear about the medical benefits and all the wonderful properties that the green tea has to offer. I'm going to cover a few medical benefits of green tea and why it should be introduced into our daily lives. It can be often overlooked as a wonderful tasting drink. So I hope I give you a little bit of insight as to why you should introduce it. I'm a coffee lover myself, but sometimes I do like to introduce another beverage in my daily routine. I find that coffee sometimes can be a little harsh on the stomach, and the sugar as well. So sometimes I grab tea, green tea. It does have caffeine as well, depending on which one you choose. So it can wake you up in the mornings or give you a little pick me up in the later afternoon after lunch. I've been drinking tea since I was in high school, especially at times where I needed to take tests or stay up late at night studying. Like I said, it's not harsh on you. It's not that harsh on you, and it has plenty of wonderful benefits that you can enjoy. So let's start off by discussing a few interesting health topics. A little bit about its history and its making process. So, according to Shengnong.com, tea was first introduced as a medicine in southwest China more than 5,000 years ago. This is a very, very, very old beverage, uh, and it's highly regarded as an essential part of well-being. Uh, Green tea is made up by heating up drying up the leaves, and this process enables the polyphenols and the chlorophyll to remain within the leaf itself. So the polyphenols contain the health benefits and the medical benefits of the plant, and the chlorophyll maintains the color of that plant, which is very important. And it's the highlight of green tea, and that's why it's called green tea. So the process of the tea making itself, it's a very interesting topic as well. According to mainhow.com, the high quality green tea is made up of the top two leaves and the top bud of every plant. So that's where the most chlorophyll, the most color, the most flavor is going to be within the plant itself. What they do is they actually get rid of the excess moisture to stop the oxidation process by pan frying the leaves. Stopping oxidation within the leaf is crucial, because by stopping the oxidation process, you maintain that integrity of the tea itself, the medical benefits, and the flavoring itself. So now that we discussed a little bit of that process, let's talk about the important health benefits that this green tea has to offer. According to a nutrition scientist by the name of Christopher Ochner, he states that green tea is the healthiest drink that he can think of apart from water itself. Beth Reardon, another Boston nutritionist, claims that catechins in the green tea, which are the antioxidants in the plants, uh, is the most essential and healthiest part of the tea itself. So that's a great reason to actually introduce it, because of that, the antioxidants that it has to offer. See, according to a WebMD article, green tea is shown to improve the increase in blood flow within the memory sector of the brain. So they actually took MRI tests of participants that claim to be green tea drinkers and have shown proof that blood actually flows a little more precise and efficient within the memory sector. So if you're looking to increase your memory or prevent memory loss, green tea is a great introduction to your daily diet. The antioxidants in green tea itself actually help stop cancerous cells growing within the body itself. And another reason to introduce green tea into your daily routine is because it speeds up your metabolism, so it's great for weight loss. So now that we discussed a little bit about the medical benefits of the plant, I'd like to discuss a little bit about different ways and methods that you can have the tea itself. We know the obvious way of having it, which is a nice warm glass of tea in the morning. That's one of the ways of having it, and that's my personal favorite as well. But you can actually add several ingredients in the tea itself. You can add different teas such as lavender or chamomile to increase its flavor, to make it a little more palatable for those that are being introduced to green tea. Uh, Another cool thing that you can do for tea is adding lemon zest and lime wedges to the tea itself. It gives it a nice subtle flavor and actually adds a few more antioxidants to the tea itself. For those that like enjoying smoothies, fruit smoothies and veggie smoothies, instead of adding water to the tea, or milk, you could actually replenish that with tea. So you can enjoy the benefits of tea along with your usual smoothie that you have on your daily routine. And like I said, the best way that I like to have it myself is just to fully enjoy the plain tasting green tea itself. Has a nice aromatic flavor to it as well. It's something that you can get used to easily. So now that we've discussed all these topics, I want to conclude my discussion by saying that tea has been around forever. It's been around for more than 5,000 years. Medical benefits have been enjoyed by all types of cultures for centuries. Not only has it been around forever and used for these medical benefits, but it tastes great. So it's definitely something that should be introduced instead of reaching for those high energy drinks or very sugary drinks or coffee. Green tea is definitely an alternative, and it's different medical properties that your body would love you for. Thank you again. My name is Felipe Garcia, and I hope you enjoyed a little bit about today's discussion, which is green tea.